The heart of any heat pump is the compressor. Crucially, compressors are designed to compress vapor, not liquid. Attempting to compress a liquid, a condition known as slugging, can permanently destroy the compressor. This is where the accumulator comes in to protect this vital component. Its sole purpose is to intercept and store any liquid refrigerant, ensuring that only pure vapor reaches the compressor's inlet. In cooling mode, under normal conditions, the refrigerant returning to the outdoor unit is a low-pressure superheated vapor. However, the situation changes in heating mode. The outdoor unit becomes the evaporator, and frost buildup on the coil can restrict airflow. This restriction prevents the refrigerant from boiling completely, which can send damaging liquid back toward the compressor. The accumulator safely captures this liquid. The accumulator's operation is simple. Refrigerant enters from the evaporator through the inlet. The outlet leading to the compressor is a specially designed U-tube, with its opening positioned high inside the tank. At the very bottom of this U-tube is a small but critical feature, the oil return orifice. When the refrigerant mixture enters, simple physics takes over. The heavier liquid settles at the bottom, while the lighter vapor rises to the top. Because the U-tube's opening is high up, the compressor only draws in vapor. But what about the oil? Lubricating oil circulates with the refrigerant and can become trapped in the pool of liquid. The oil return orifice allows a small metered amount of this trapped oil, along with a tiny bit of liquid refrigerant, to be drawn back into circulation. This controlled flow ensures the compressor is never starved for lubrication and continues to run smoothly. Thank you for watching how the accumulator works.